Hey tech lovers! Garmin Forerunner 170 has quickly become one of Garmin's most talked about running watches, aimed at beginner and intermediate runners who want advanced training tools. Users have generally been positive, but is it the perfect watch? Stay tuned as we break all down from it. Let's start with its bright AMOLED display. The screen is vibrant, sharp, and easy to read in almost any condition. Finally, a Garmin screen that doesn't look like it was borrowed from a 2008 calculator. Excellent training features. You get Training Readiness, Training Status, Garmin Coach, HRV Status, daily suggested workouts, and running power. Features that were once reserved for much more expensive models. What about its lightweight and comfortable? At around 41G, it's easy to wear all day and during sleep tracking. It's so light you'll occasionally panic and think you've lost it while it's still on your wrist. Great Garmin ecosystem? Garmin Connect remains one of the best fitness ecosystems available, with excellent analytics and training guidance. Many users still consider Garmin's ecosystem a major advantage over competitors. When it comes to its Garmin Pay and music version, the Music Edition allows Spotify playlists without carrying your phone. Leave your wallet and phone at home, but somehow still spend money and listen to music. Yeah! Let's talk now about what could be as negatives points on this watch. No multi-band GPS. This is probably the biggest criticism. GPS accuracy is excellent in most situations, but dense cities and forests can expose the limitations of the single-band GPS. Uses an older heart rate sensor? The watch still uses Garmin's older Elevate V4 sensor rather than the newest generation. Some enthusiasts were disappointed. What about its no triathlon mode? Runners will be happy, but triathletes may feel left out because multi-sport and triathlon features are missing. Battery life is good, not amazing. Up to 10 days sounds great, but some competitors can stretch much longer. Overall, a fantastic running watch that delivers about 90% of what most runners need, while leaving just enough missing features to tempt you toward Garmin's more expensive models. Buy it if you're a beginner or intermediate runner, you want Garmin's advanced training tools, and you want an AMOLED display without spending flagship money. Skip it if you need triathlon features. You frequently run in dense urban canyons or forests and want the best GPS accuracy. So, if you enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for weekly content.